Hello mates, hello tutor, my name is Mario Ruiz and I'm going to show you the tool that I have chosen, which is Flipsnack. Um, this allows us to create magazine or improve document, as I will show you here under. So first of all we look for the page and we must log in if you want with your Google account or with your email. In this case, I will choose my Google account, and here we are in the here we are in the page to create our magazine. You must create pick in this in you must pick in this button, create from scratch, and you must to pick the format. Next, you pick in create, and the page show you some template, but in this case I am going to create the magazine from some images that I have saved, and, I have but before I can add a title, for example, resource to support, to support teaching and learning, and we are going to select uh, to let the title here. We can change the title, and then we have some from images to create the cover. For example, I choose will, and we can change the background. For example, I will choose this background. This is my picture to the cover, and if you want to create another page, you pick in this button and you can start to create the second page. I recommend this 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 page, Google Earth. Then we are going to create another page like like this, Booksmart for school, for school. This is another tool, and I would like to share this sentence to add this sentence here. We choose another like this. This is a quote that I have written. I think using those application or resource means to expand in the classroom by creating a parallel learning space. And finally, we have here just a forward page, but you can do a preview in this button. This is our magazine about resource to support teaching and learning. And if you want to export this document, you I suggest to make it a flipbook in here and save and share. This is the link. You must copy the link, and we're here our magazine finished. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. Thank you.